What does universal design for learning mean to you?
Universal design for learning means designing your curriculum so that it's accessible to everybody. We're not always aware of the barriers that exist for some students when it comes to learning, and when you design your curriculum so it's accessible to everybody, you're creating opportunities for everybody to learn.
Can you tell us how you apply backwards design to the universal design for learning?
Backwards design principles are a way for you to meet universal design for learning. When you follow the principles, what it means is that you're designing so that your goals and objectives come first. So you're not designing with a textbook or assessments in mind, you're designing with your goals and objectives in mind. And what that means is that you can design multiple assessments or multiple ways of teaching that curriculum so that there's different opportunities for students to meet those goals and objectives. There's not one path, there's multiple ways to meet those objectives. So you're designing opportunities into your curriculum so that students can meet those goals and objectives.
What do you do to assess the online quality of the course?
One of the best ways to assess quality in an online class is to use Quality Matters, which is a peer review process for reviewing a course. And one of the tools that Quality Matters uses is their rubric. This rubric is huge, it's comprehensive. You can use it to assess your whole course, and one of the primary goals of this rubric is that you're assessing the accessibility and the universal design of your course. So there's an entire standard within the rubric that's dedicated just to assessing accessibility, but then also all of the principles address universal design. So they're looking for alignment within your course, making sure there's multiple ways for students to learn and access the information. There's multiple ways for students to participate or engage actively within the course, and there's multiple ways for students to be assessed and measured within the course. So using the Quality Matters rubric as a sort of checklist or guideline for your course, or using it to assess your course, is one of the best ways to assess for quality.
Can you tell us a time you used the Quality Matters rubric in the backward design process?
I very recently worked with an instructor here at MSU. He has an online course that he's been teaching for a while. He's always looking for ways to improve his curriculum or employ some best practices, and so he had me go through and review his course with the Quality Matters rubric. And so his course was very good to begin with. It was very well designed. He was making steps towards making it accessible, but by going through the rubric and using that to check his course, we were able to come up with more ways that we could assess students and more ways for students to engage with the curriculum, so that there was not one single way, there were multiple ways, and students with different abilities were able to access the information.